Hi friends, thank you for coming back at Elaine Marie to step number 2. Well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a little abstract. Oh yeah, going to be fun, a lot of colors. Okay, what do we have out here? We have turquoise, dark blue, pink, yellow, white, orange, and a violet. The brushes are going to be an inch, inch and a half, and we're going to have an angular brush. Let's get going and let's have some fun. Here we go. I dampened up my brushes, and I'm going to dab out some. Let's start with some of this. Oh, that's a beautiful light blue. Here we go. And what's good about this? We're just going to brush and just allow the paint. It's going to be a wet on wet. I'm going to dab a little white, and when we do that, pretty cool. Line up with that little bit of the lighter blue. And I brought out a lot of brushes, so I wouldn't have to stop and keep cleaning. Okay. Now, let's see. I think I'm going to dab in a little. Oh, that is beautiful. This is a violet. Look how lovely that looks. And again, my brush is already damp. And we're just going to allow colors to flow together. And if you saw my first video, you'll notice that I do take my paintings and I have the paintings downloaded and I put them on t-shirts, tote bags, or anything like that. Make for great gifts. Now look what happens with that white. And we're not going to go straight across. We can go any direction that you want. Oh, I'm loving it. Switch brushes again. Let me see. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. We got the darker blue mixed in with the more of the turquoise we're making. Beautiful. Let's just kind of sweep it up. I don't know about you, but I'm really having fun. This is great. And let's see. Let's throw in a little orange. And just dab that out a little bit so we can get a little bit wetter. There you go. Acrylics, they dry very quick. Oh, I like that, and it's blending very lightly. Bring that in just like this. Okay. I'm loving the blue. I think I'm going to come up. And again, friend, you can use any patterns that you want. Just doing a little abstract. This is wet paint on wet. And I'm telling you, look when that blends. It is absolutely gorgeous. Boy, I'm really loving that lilac still. And it's really cool. And like this one, I don't like to have any of my paintings exactly the same. Use your imagination. Look at that. Oh my God. I do love that. I love that lilac. It's really looking pretty. Let's do a little lilacs with a little white. But again, friends, do anything that you want, any direction you want. And what's really cool about it, watch this, friends. When you do the abstract, whether or not it's upside down, it's not really. Whatever position you put it in, it just becomes looking like different art. My like this one. It just becomes different art. Oh, I like that. Now we do have a little yellow. I think I'm going to dab a little yellow. Make it a little bit interesting. Use that with a smaller brush. But your painting is yours. You do as you may. And remember, when you do a little yellow, look what color that is. It will turn it into like a lime green. The two colors together. Any direction, friends. It's your painting. Now what I'm going to wind up doing with this painting, I'm going to have it downloaded and then I'm going to put it on a tote bag. Let me just bring this up here. And we'll finish up the bottom. We got some pinks. Pink is really, really pretty. But I like the wet on wet. You can wait until it dries, but I like it wet because it really will blend in a lot better. Friends, I hope you had a great time. I know I did. This is having fun. Enjoy. We're doing abstract. And if you love color, look at that. You can just do any direction. Any way that you want it to go. You just have fun. Just have so much fun. And if it starts to dry, just dampen out your brush a little more. You know, I'm going to come in with a little curve. And what's cool about it, there is no rhyme or reason. We're just loving it. We're enjoying it. And when you mix your white, you'll lighten it up and you'll change the color. Oh, I'm just loving that. Is really pretty. I really love it. Friends, I hope you had a good time. I had a lot of fun. And please enjoy your abstract. It's fun. You can do it with your grandkids, your own children, or just give it for gifts or download like I do and put it on tote bags or shirts. Listen, friends, please come back again to a new video, okay? And thank you for watching step number 1. Thank you again. Bye, friends.